We often focus on the what and the why of our decisions, but rarely on the who, the state of the mind that is doing the choosing. The mind you use to decide matters as much as the decision itself. A choice made from a place of clarity has a different texture, a different outcome, than one made from a place of turmoil. This internal weather system is the invisible architect of our lives, shaping the paths we take with every judgment call, big or small. When emotions are intense, everything feels urgent. A wave of anxiety, a surge of frustration, or even a rush of excitement can create a powerful illusion of immediacy. This is the state of inner noise, a mental static that drowns out our quieter, more rational thoughts. In this state, our perspective narrows, and we react from a primal place of fight or flight. Many poor choices happen in these moments of internal chaos, when the loudest voice in our head is panic, not wisdom. The first step to quiet this noise is simply to pause. Before you react, introduce a space. In that space, take one conscious breath. Feel the air enter and feel it leave. This simple act anchors you in the present moment, creating a circuit breaker for the storm of reactivity. Another practice is to gently label the feeling. Silently say to yourself, "This is anxiety," or "This is anger." Naming the emotion helps to separate you from it, allowing you to observe it without being consumed by it. This practice applies everywhere. At work, it's the pause before sending a reactive email. In our relationships, it's the breath before speaking a word you can't take back. With our finances, it's the moment of stillness before making an impulsive purchase. Calmness creates better judgment. A settled mind sees details differently. It can distinguish the truly important from the merely loud. It notices the subtle nuance in a conversation, the overlooked clause in a contract, the quiet intuition that something isn't right. It notices what panic misses. Learn to recognize the signs of an unsettled mind, a racing heart, shallow breathing, a feeling of being overwhelmed. When you notice these cues, give yourself permission to wait. Delay important decisions when your mind is unsettled. Time is your ally. A few hours, or even a day, can provide the distance needed for the emotional tide to recede, revealing the landscape of the situation with greater clarity. This isn't about avoiding difficult feelings. It's about choosing not to let them be the sole driver of your actions. Calm protects wisdom. By cultivating a space of inner quiet, you ensure that your choices are guided by your deepest values, not your most fleeting emotions.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.